Sergeant 9 Inch Johnson here. Just wanted to show you something I figured out that was pretty cool. Um, Instead of going out and buying a charge and play kit or anything like that, you can use your simple cell phone charger cord if it has a USB plug. And I'll show you what I mean here. Xbox One controller, as you can see. No batteries. This is just a standard cord for your cell phone. Now, just give me a second here. Try to do this as best as possible. Just plug it in. Hang on, I'm gonna put it right down here. Just plug it in, and as you see, well, one sec here. As you see, the light is on, and it works. Now, again, no batteries, and it still works. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope this helps, and you can subscribe to me on my channel at Sergeant 9 Inch Johnson.